I'm Dustin Planow, the host of the BlockCard Learn video series. Our BlockCard Learn video series is designed to provide a quick and easy to understand overview on some of the most popular coins, tokens, and various digital assets available in today's crypto ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and please share these videos if you find them helpful. What is Enjin? At its core, Enjin Coin is a cryptocurrency. The utility of this digital asset is its design as a payment token for virtual goods created by Enjin. The Enjin network is an online community gaming platform with over 20 million registered gamers in 250,000 gaming communities. Enjin Coin is designed specifically for gaming, with the additional goal of being the industry's most usable cryptocurrency. The Enjin Coin simply acts as the payment token on the Enjin network. Enjin has created a suite of software development kits, which developers can integrate into their communities and games. By using blockchain technology in gaming, both fraud and high fees can be reduced when transferring virtual goods. Built on the Ethereum network, Enjin Coin is an ERC20 token. The project has smart contract capabilities and acts as a cryptocurrency. First launched in 2009, the Enjin network is a huge ecosystem that allows the customization of gamer forums with support for chat, e-commerce, digital marketplaces, and much more. Enjin's API and software development kits are impressive, allowing web developers to connect with millions of game servers worldwide. In the execution of this project, the Enjin team has successfully implemented blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies for the gaming industry. Digital assets like this one are supported by BlockCard, and you can use them to fund your BlockCard account and make purchases at over 50 million merchants worldwide. You can also use BlockCard bank accounts to purchase popular assets like this one. Register for a free BlockCard account at getblockcard.com.